In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Tasks for beginners. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Google Tasks, how to create your first task, take advantage of its shortcuts, and keep everything organized with lists. Let's start with where to find Google Tasks because you actually don't need to install anything on your computer. It's already built right into the Google apps you probably use every day. On a desktop or laptop, open Gmail, Google Calendar, or Google Drive. Look over to the right-hand side of the screen for the side panel. You'll see a small blue checkmark icon there. That's Google Tasks. Click that and the Tasks panel will slide open so you can start adding to-dos without leaving the page you're on. If you're on your phone or tablet, you'll want the standalone Google Tasks app. Go to the App Store on iOS or the Play Store on Android, search for Google Tasks and install it. Once you sign in with your Google account, it will sync with what you see on desktop, so your to-dos follow you everywhere. And if you prefer using a browser directly, you can also go to tasksgoogle.com to see your tasks in a dedicated page. Now let's walk through creating your very first task. With the Tasks panel open, click the button to create a new task. A simple text field will appear. Type the name Work Tasks. This will be the main task you're starting with. Think of it as a single item on your list, something you want to remember or follow up on. After you've added the task name, click on that task to open its details. Here you can add more context in the description or notes area. This is really useful for things like meeting details, reminders about what you need to do, or any extra information you don't want to forget. The notes don't clutter your main list, but they're always there when you click into the task. Next, set a due date so you don't lose track of it. Click the date or time icon in the task details. Choose the day you want this task to be done. If you add a specific time, Google Tasks can send you a notification on your phone or desktop, depending on your device settings. This is great for time-sensitive tasks like calls or appointments you want to be reminded about at a precise moment. Now let's look at one of the most powerful parts of Google Tasks, how it connects to other Google apps. A perfect example is Gmail. If you're using Gmail on your computer, open an email that you need to follow up on, then simply drag that email into the Tasks sidebar on the right. Google Tasks will automatically create a new task with the email subject as the title, and it includes a direct link back to that email. This makes it easy to move action items out of your inbox and into your task list, helping you work toward an inbox zero habit. Finally, to stay organized, you'll want to separate different areas of your life with lists. Instead of letting your personal and work tasks mix together, click the drop-down menu at the top of the Tasks panel. It usually says My Tasks by default. From there, choose Create New List. Give your new list a clear name like Work, Personal, or Home Projects. If you ever need to move a task from one list to another, click the three dots next to that task and choose a different list. This way you can keep your tasks grouped logically while still being able to shuffle them around as your priorities change. That's all you need to get started. Find Google Tasks, create your first task, connect it with Gmail when you need to, and keep everything tidy with lists.